continue, go hard or go home. This is no joke.
Up. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Definitely have to be in a good physical condition. Muay Thai private session. As you can see, it's pretty extensive, like especially because of the climate, the harsh conditions like humidity and heat, like so you work double out. And even like the warm-up is extensive, like at least 10 to 15 minutes. So if you come here, definitely have to be in a good physical condition. Don't come here thinking, okay, I will build my physical condition here. No, come here when you're already fit. You got me? Because the lessons here are no joke, right? No joke. Very, very hard for your body, trust me. Don't drink that 7-Eleven plain filtered water. Go for mineral water, like in this case, because you're losing salts during the workout sessions, sweating them out, and you either you take electrolytes or mineral water. You have two options here. Okay, never drink just plain simple water. Today we go extensive on abs. As you can see, we have also abs workout, push-ups and things like that. And they throw these type of exercises in between the sets. You have some back, you have some pad work, and after that you have to do, for example, like 20-30 push-ups, sit-ups or things like that. I guess like this is the part of the training. Or go home. This is no joke. When you come here, definitely be in a good physical shape. as you saw, like you have to like have good cardio, conditioning, and so on. Like this is no joke. Like and heat and humidity just makes it worse. So yeah, definitely like be prepared for these sessions. And my conclusion for today is definitely like I recommend, especially if you're like a beginner, to do first of all like 10 private sessions, sparring sessions, to learn the technique, so that to learn the technique, your weak points, because the trainer will definitely see them and improve. And yeah, like after that you can combine that with group sessions or just go to sparring, but whatsoever, like definitely like if you're a beginner or even like a professional fighter, I highly recommend to take private lessons. They're not that expensive here. One private session is like 900 baht. That's like 25 euros, I believe, like something like that. And they definitely work hard on you and see your weak spots and so on, so you can improve. So yeah, people, like by the way, these are like semi-professional or professional fighters over there. They're training here in this hall. You see here all kinds of like people like UFC, professional fighters and so on. So this is definitely, if not the, then one of the meccas where to train MMA, Muay Thai, and martial arts in general.
Elbow. Elbow. Up. Yes. Up. Yes. Up. Yes. Lefty.
My omelet just arrived. Looks delicious with cheese on top, and I can enjoy watching here how the professional fighters train while eating my breakfast at the same time. So pretty awesome. I hope you like this episode. As much as I did, I had to work a little bit for this episode, as you saw. But anyways, like if you like my content and this video in particular, you know what to do. Thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.